Hi everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. Today I'm coming back with you with another fun project. This is called Spaghetti Tower, or if you want to call it Leaning Tower of Pasta, you can too. So basically it's really a self-explanatory experiment. All you need is a marshmallow. You can use the big marshmallow like this, but if you don't like big marshmallow, you can use the mini marshmallow like so. So both marshmallow are puffy, either or, it's up to you, and then you can use any kind of brand you like. Okay, so and then you need spaghetti. I use half-length spaghetti, and you can use the regular size too if you like. So half-length spaghetti is the half size of the regular spaghetti, so it looks like mini like this. Okay, and then I also use paper towel just because marshmallow is so sticky, so that's how I use paper towel as a base to build your marshmallow. So I already built my tower over here. So this is my tower. It consists of 2 squares. So you see that sometimes if you build a rectangle, a square like this, it tends to leaning over to the left or to the right. So I put, what is it called, a brace. So basically it's diagonal from left to right and another left to right like so. So it will stay like so. Okay? So basically it's really easy. So you take your spaghetti like that and then you just poke it through your mini marshmallow like that, and another one on the other end. Okay, so it's pretty self-explanatory. As I said, you just have to have a willpower not to eat the marshmallow, but if you want to eat the marshmallow, it's totally up to you too. There's nothing wrong with that. It's really puffy. Okay, so now I already make this triangle. So what I make is look like a pyramid, and then I'm just going to put it the top over my tower, so it looks like a real tower like so. Okay. So why do you think it works? Just because marshmallow is really sticky. That's how marshmallow is the best. But if you want to use other candy, I don't think it will work, or you can try it. But marshmallow is the best, and then you will have a leaning tower of pasta like so. Okay, if you pay attention to some of the corner here, I put 2 or 3 marshmallow in here, just because it will hold the structures really well. Instead of just one marshmallow, they kind of beat up and fall out like that. Okay, so I hope you have fun making the structure. It's pretty easy. If you don't have half-length spaghetti, as I said, you can use other regular spaghetti too. Until next time, I hope you have a good day at school, and then don't forget to watch our Make It Monday and our story time. I'll see you soon.